everyone, and welcome to our Professional Muse Modeling Workshop. I'm thrilled to have you all here and excited to share insights that will help you flourish in this dynamic industry. Today, we'll explore various aspects of modeling that are essential for your growth and success. Let's jump right into our first topic, modeling fundamentals, okay? As we delve into the core skills every model needs, it's important to highlight the significance of mastering poses and runway walks. Very important. These foundational elements are what sets you apart in the competitive field. To facilitate this, we'll engage in some practical exercises together. I'll demonstrate a few basic poses, and after that, I'll encourage each of you to try them out. This hands-on practice will not only build your confidence, but will also help you refine your techniques. Remember, consistent practice is vital, okay, in this industry to develop your unique style. So I hope you have on your heels. I hope you have some space and time because we're going to go over the modeling essentials, facial expressions, posture, basic posing, how to get started with posing, and runway walking, not only just for high fashion or couture, whatever your niche is, but also walking in a gown because, as you all know, I've been a professional model since 2004, and I've done everything, right? From modeling to beauty pageants. So you're going to get all of that in these hands-on tutorials. So let's get to it.